Got a call that our dog.
You're not
We're going to In-N-Out.
These semis right here, fully automated semis. We're gonna walk past and just like act like the camera's not there. It'll ride. It's only going to Morgan City, so. The plan for today is we're picking this up, dropping it off about 30 miles away, and then we're gonna be taking this tree that we actually picked up yesterday. We're gonna be taking that to Houston. All right, guys, we are all loaded up. It's time to get paperwork. Woo! We are all loaded up, and we are ready to go.
I have like 20 cherry seeds right now.
20? Spit them out. What are you doing?
No, I don't want to put them on the ground.
Babe, do you see all the trash everywhere? I don't think they might not mind. Yeah, this guy said he found his truck in a field with no motor or transmission in it. Well, we're gonna go to the next pickup. We'll see you there.
The money count is the only moment. Drums take them.
Just dropping off the clamps and then that those 2 milk crates. If you could sign. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Oh, it's worth it. Careful.
About to be heavy. Hey, come sit right quick. Come around.
Me? Why? Are you a Falcons fan or something?
I was just checking the design.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're all dropped off. So without further ado, let's get on the road. Let's hurry up and get to Houston. All right, y'all. Our barnacle corroded tree has not moved a single inch, and we are 2 hours away from our drop off. We're making pretty good time, no traffic, knock on wood so far. But we stopped over at QT. We're gonna grab some fuel and we're gonna get back on the road. What are you getting?
Pretzel.
Pretzel? Is that all you're getting?
I forgot to add it to cart.
All right, coffee time. What are you getting?
Dude, that totally. Yeah, ice mocha. Look at that. From the tap.
Silk milk almond. Okay, I can have some of this.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, that looks good.
I know.
Buyer. She folded it up like a freaking calzone. We have made it to our drop-off. We're gonna get dropped off. So this place doesn't like photography. So we're gonna put the camera down. We're unloaded. We are headed to a spot that I've never shown you guys, but it is the coolest truck parking. You guys are gonna have to check it out. We'll be there in about 5 seconds. We have made it. We're gonna give you guys a little tour. This place is a little expensive to stay at. It's $28 a night, but let me show you what it comes with. For starters, in order to get in here, you need a code. So it's private for one. It's got barbed wire everywhere, so you don't have to worry about people coming in and stealing your stuff. Nice little trucker's lounge. We've got showers, and it's got free laundry, which is sick. Bathrooms are nice. Check it out. Use the showers. This is actually sick. We've got a microwave, a sink. It's in Katy, Texas, west of Houston. Well worth the 25 bucks if you're in the area.
Come on, Vince. I just remembered how many times am I gonna get the last one? I'm just gonna hit different. I'm not gonna
we are going to head on over to HEB because we're gonna be making sushi tonight. Competition. We're doing a sushi competition. Whoever can make the best sushi roll gets a fat kiss.
We made it to HEB.
We've made it to HEB. I didn't know you were doing the...
I said like this.
Spicy with crab.
Ooh, like crab? Like spicy crab and cream cheese.
How are you gonna do the cream cheese?
This,
what are you getting?
This might be like eel sauce.
All right.
Should we get it? No, I just want this.
Mom?
No, that looks disgusting.
All right. Ingredient 1. Down. Over.
This one looks a lot better.
Sashimi grade, that's what we need?
Yeah.
We're gonna walk past and just like act like the camera's not there.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Trays, you know, that's probably 12 to 5,000. But at the time it's all done. Surgery's going to be 4,500 to 5,000 range. So you're still looking at about 6,000. Yeah. And I mean, I've done invitations here. It's just that they do all of that. That's essential. Yeah, we have to go in the morning. Yeah, we have to get that home. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, that's a whole different ballgame.
Quick message from today's sponsor, LogRock. If you're a small trucking company and you're tired of paying outrageous insurance rates and not knowing where to even look for a better deal, then this sponsor is for you. LogRock will shop the best rates, match you with options, and help you actually understand what you're getting without you wasting hours calling around or getting random quotes that don't even fit your business or possibly scams. Trucking insurance is insane right now, especially if you're a small company just starting out. If that's you, click the link in the bio, fill out your info, and boom, they find you the best rates. No phone tag, no digging. They do all the work so you don't have to. Head down to the video description below, click the link, and it'll take you directly to their site where you can get your free quote right now. Let's get back to the video. Welcome.
It is currently
8. It's currently 9:28.
We left the store probably
6:30.
Yeah, 6:30, and we got a call that our dog broke her leg. So we've been dealing with that.
Yeah, it's been a night. So we're gonna end it off by cooking some sushi.
And we spent all this money to make some sushi. So let's get into this competition.
All right, so we've obviously got sticky rice, we've got crab, chopsticks, we've got cucumbers, avocados, we've got seaweed.
Bruh.
Keep up. And I've got some ahi tuna. So without further ado, let's make some sushi. I'll start searing the ahi tuna.
I think right now.
One of us needs to cut up the cucumber and the carrot.
No, this is an individual competition. I can't help you.
Well, we gotta assemble separately.
Let's get to chopping.
Honest, I'm not really sure how you're supposed to do this, so I'm just gonna go in with no seasoning or anything.
This is what happened to Roux like.
Why you didn't like carrot?
My decompression carrot. This is quite the learning experience. Good thing In-N-Out is open 24 hours.
All right, we took it out of the pan. This is what we're looking like.
You don't know how to cut it?
No. I'm gonna go microwave the rice. I'll be right back. Guys, these semis right here are fully automated semis. They drive themselves. This feels weird. Like it feels like they're brand new trucks, brand new trailers. They've been just driving around. Doing what? I don't know. Like they've been just making circles like around these streets and stuff, and they come back like every 10 minutes. They've been doing it all day and they're doing it all night. Ruining the trucking industry. I'm just gonna say that now. That's my opinion on it. What do you guys think? Well, it hasn't been recording, but this is where we've gotten so far. I'm very sorry. Now,
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That's a freaking sushi burrito, bro. Oh my gosh, what is that?
I think you can do this. And
Yeah?
you kind of squeeze it together, and you can.
Oh, not with the plastic.
I'm pretty sure you can.
Ew.
I forgot avocado. Let's put it on top. Now that's a roll, baby.
I'm going to In-N-Out.
Like, what's the proper way to use this? Seems a little dangerous.
Extremely.
Damn.
Oh. So much for the avocado.
Okay, it's going a little bit better now. I don't think they have a problem with this at the sushi restaurants. Dude, where's my avocado going? All right, well, here's the sushi. Boom! If you grab the seaweed, put it on top, and kind of smush it, it'll work really good.
How do you know if you got in one or two?
That's
I think
one.
I got one. And which way?
I don't know.
There's obviously
That
a way.
looks, yeah, maybe this way down.
You think? Maybe the rice needs to be cold.
Too late now. Let us know down in the comment section down below. Is this supposed to be cold? Ooh, that is hot.
It's hot, dude.
I mean, that's pretty decent. You want more?
No, that's good.
All right. So what are you going with first?
Probably crab. Open up the crab. I think I want to slice it though. Yummy. Hey.
I don't think you needed to do that. You could have probably
You want to bet?
pulled it apart.
You want to bet?
That's it?
Yeah.
I don't think it's evenly coated.
Remember, we're not overcrowding it like you.
All right.
Oh.
In the middle? Are you gonna spread it out?
I don't know. Yeah, you do it in the middle, and then when it rolls, it like,
It all stays in the middle.
yeah.
No. Ooh, wait. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Korean barbecue seat. Oh, okay.
Oh, and then I need some avocado. Watch me roll, baby. Oh, maybe being warm helps it like twist. Yeah.
Okay, yours is kind of the perfect size.
Yeah, dude. And then does it just like fold that up? There's no way this is a two-person job in a restaurant. This is crazy. No wonder they take 55 minutes to get my order ready.
Actually, they're pretty quick.
Squeeze. Consider it squeezed.
All right.
Yeah, a big old sushi poop. Big old log of sushi. Like,
It's gonna be hard to cut it with it like that.
you want to bet? Maybe I don't suck like you do.
Facts.
What if I like oiled my knife?
With what?
Maybe I should just have a sushi burrito.
Just try to go really fast. You're not.
Ow! I think I just cut my finger.
Not funny. Okay, that actually went pretty good.
Putting our finishing touches on here. Oh no!
That sucked.
I know.
Here, wait, do this.
It's okay. That's enough. I don't want it spicy.
Oh, because this stuff is actually spicy.
Yeah, I don't.
So here's Brooklyn's. We're gonna get you guys a good view. Dip it in the spicy mayo. All right, now here's mine. All right, guys, we wrapped up eating food. We're gonna go ahead and take a shower and get to bed. We are very stressed out, so let's go shower. We've never slept in this truck together, so I'm interested to see how much room we're gonna have. All right, guys, we're in here. What do you think? Is there enough room?
There's plenty of room.
What a night, man. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Change of plans. iCarly to decompress. Good morning. I slept pretty good. How about you? Time to get up and go pick up this load and head home. Still blowing cool air. Stay cool pretty much all freaking night, dude. Let's go. Quick update about Roux. She is currently headed to New Orleans right now. They were talking about amputation or putting plates in. So the doctor is actually going to decide that whenever she gets there, because she's going to be put into ICU until they can actually get her into surgery. So I'll be updating you guys throughout the day to kind of tell you what's going on with her. So
Sign right there.
okay.
Break your name. Put it how many pieces you got.
All right, guys, we're all loaded up. Let's get on the road. Let's get home, man. All right, guys, here's our brunch. What'd you get?
Cinnamon roll French toast.
Got 3 eggs, hash browns, ham, and sausage.
House.
Well, guys, a little update on Roux. She got out of surgery about 2 hours ago, and the doctor said she's doing really well, so we're gonna go pick her up tomorrow. We're actually gonna go head home. I appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Dude, they're crawling in there, look.
While we're waiting for that, there it went.
So here